I found a slight imperfection on sheet 32.
Let me see. The registration is off.
Forklift 3, hold position at base stroke. We have a sensor misalignment on feeder 4.
This watermark alignment is perfect.
Approved for engraving. Send it to Station 3.
Status update on the engraving arms. Are the tolerances holding on the new batch?
Holding steady. We are clearing the conveyor now.
We have alignment on cylinder 3. Proceed with the final mounting sequence.
Okay, bring the plates to line 3. We are ready for the next run.
The humidity levels are stable at 50%.
Ensure the coating application is uniform across the surface.
The alignment on press 3 is drifting.
Adjusting the tension now. Keep an eye on the feed.
We need more substrate on line 3.
Confirmed. Sending a pallet now.
Check the logs for the last batch on line 3.
Already on it. Looks like a sensor error near the gate.
Supervisor to control. Transport corridor B secure. Proceeding to chamber 4.
The alignment on tray 7 seems slightly off.
The camera confirms a 0.2 millimeter shift on the right edge.
Ensure the rejected batch is quarantined immediately.
Already done, Supervisor. We flagged the serial numbers.
Check the alignment on that stack. We can't let any misprints through.
Check the serial count on batch 7.
Looks good. No errors detected.
Ready for secure inspection.
Deviation is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Approved for workflow.
The shipment count is off by 10,000 here.
I see it. Flag this one for manual verification before transport.
Control, this is Unit 4. Bay doors closing. All pallets secured. Requesting final clearance.
Platform 9 secure. Clamps engaged on Unit 4. Convoy is green for departure.
Container 72 is clear for the verification tunnel.
Acknowledged. Routing now.
The velocity here is lower than projected.
I'm rerouting the excess to the main distribution track.
Route 47 adjusted. Divert excess pallets to dock 3 immediately.
The security thread reading is anomalous right here.
Flag it for secondary analysis immediately.
The variance report for Q3 is clear.
Confirmed. The ledger is balanced down to the microcent.
Sector Gamma reports inbound shipment 34B. Confirm routing.
Routing confirmed. Divert all 50s to Audit Bay 7.
Cross-referencing the historical dollar supply against the current trends.
The forecast indicates a potential bottleneck in Sector 4 if this continues.
Sierra 1, verify Manifest 47.
Manifest 47 confirmed. Container secure.
As the screen indicates, we must monitor the flow rate here.
Understood. I'll cross-reference the data points.
This serial number flagged on the mid-infrared scan.
Pull that sample for level 3 review.
The sensor alignment is calibrated.
Run the level 3 diagnostic again to confirm stability.
Look at the velocity metrics here. This doesn't align with the production logs.
Agreed. We must ensure full transparency for the Treasury report.